everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show how you can create a virtual machine in Google Cloud Platform. To create a virtual machine, you have to log into the Google Cloud Console. I am already in the Google Cloud Console. Next, you need to navigate to the Compute Engine. Click on Compute Engine. I am in the Compute Engine dashboard page now. Click on the Create button to begin creating a new virtual machine. Here, click on Create Instance. You can provide a name to your instance. Instance is nothing but a virtual machine. You can name your instance. You can provide whatever name you want. Whenever you create resources in Google Cloud Platform, you can associate labels with them. You can add different labels indicating more information about this virtual machine. You can utilize labels for variety of purposes when creating a virtual machine in GCP. If you want to group your VMs based on attributes such as application, environment or owner, you can just create a label accordingly. So this will help you to manage and track your VMs very easily. So let's create a label. I will create a label called environment and I will provide a value to it as dev. So this VM is basically my dev machine. So I have applied a label for it. Next, I can also add business unit. I have added the two labels here. I'll click on save. Next, select the region and the zone you want to create your VM. I'll select US Central for my VM. Next, under machine configuration, you can select the machine family. Here I have selected the general purpose on the series E2 series and I will keep the machine type as E2 medium. So you can change this machine type based on your requirement. Under boot disk, you can change your operating system image. Click on change and you can select your operating system whatever you want. Click on operating system. You can see there are different OS flavors available. If you are creating a Windows server, you can select this Windows server and create your VM. So based on your requirement, you can change the operating system here. I need a Debian. I will keep it as is. Once you have selected your operating system, you can click on select. You can set your identity and API access here. I am keeping it as a default. Next, configure the firewall settings to allow traffic to and from the virtual machine. I will select allow HTTP traffic. We have provided all the details like the instance name and I also added the labels to the instance. I want to create it in the central region, so I have selected the region and zone for the same. Next, on the machine configuration, I want it to be in the E2 series and the machine type should be E2 medium. So next, under the boot disk, I will selected the Linux image. And under firewall, I have allowed the HTTP traffic. Now you can click on create. It is creating a VM instance now. So now we have successfully created a virtual machine in GCP. The status shows the instance is running. You can click on this instance to check more details about this instance. Under basic information, you can check the instance status and the details. So the status is running and it's created in the US central region. And it is also having a labels, a business and the environment. And then the machine configuration, whatever I have selected over there, it's listing you. So now we are done with our lab. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more Google Cloud Platform tutorials.